All right, we're getting ready to eat this particular yumminess, the sticky orange chicken. Here it is, cooking away on in our saute pan on the stove. Literally, it's a pound of chicken, but it could be whatever protein you like or vegetables or something. Lots of vegetables, less meat, whatever you want. And a bit of cornstarch, a bit of the seasoning, and then throw that in the saute pan, get that going. While that's going, you can go ahead and get the sauce ready, which is 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, water, and half a cup of orange juice. I use a freshly squeezed orange, but you can use whatever you want, or less orange juice if you don't want so much, or concentrated, or whatever. And then throw that in. Turn the heat down, let it simmer to create this sauce, as we can see going on here. And then up to you what you want to do after. Throw it on rice, throw some veggies in, however it is you want to go. I will be tossing in some green beans and pea pods. But yeah, there we go. That is our sticky orange chicken.